All right, the very first step in double-digit subtraction is making sure that our ones are lined up and our tens are lined up. So once we do that, then we're able to move on, and we see that we have to look first at our whole. 35 is our whole. Now you ask me, why do I call that a whole? Well, if we look at the number bond with 35, we know 18 is one of our parts. So therefore, we are looking for the other missing part. So when we start, 35 is what we need to look at closely. So we put a magnifying glass around 35 and we say, okay, we're gonna ask ourselves, do we have enough ones in our whole to take away what we need to take away? Is it possible for me to start with 5 and take away 8? The answer here is, of course, no. So what we have to do is we have to go over to the 3 and we have to regroup one of the 10s for 10 ones. So therefore, 3 will become 2, and once we regroup that 110 for 10 ones, 5 plus 10 will become 15. So now we can ask ourselves, now do I have enough ones? Yes, I do. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and 2 minus 1 is 17. So therefore, my missing part in this scenario would be 17. So we could say the difference between 35 and 18 is 17. We could also say, what does 18 need to get to 35? Our answer would be 17. For some students, the way that we solved this problem is very abstract, and they really need a model to represent what is happening here. So let me show you how we do that in class. So we have to show in our place value chart our whole, which is what we started with, which is 35. So we would show 3 10s and 5 1s. Now, we have to take away 18. So we always want to start in the ones place. So therefore, we have 5 minus 8. I do not have 8 ones to take away. So therefore, I must regroup or decompose a 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We teach the students to group those into groups of 5 to keep them easy to count. Now, I'm able to take away my 8 from the ones place. So I will take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, I have 7 left. So we know that we changed the 5 ones to 15 ones by decomposing that 10. So now we're down to 2 10s. So after we take away our 8 ones, we can see that 15 minus 8 is 7, which matches our model. Now we are ready to move to our next step, which is to do the subtracting in the tens place. We have 2 10s, we need to take away 1 10. So we're going to do that there. Now we have 2 minus 1 is 1. We can confirm that by checking our model. We see that we have 1 left in the tens place. So therefore, we can see we have 1 10 and 7 ones, which is equal to 17. So now we have modeled that 35 take away 18 is equal to 17, and it matches our vertical form.